I wanted to understand, how do you think the travel technology is evolving in your point of view?
See, a lot is happening in the travel space. There are a lot of organizations that have started becoming technical and more digital. So they're exposing their software to us via APIs, application programming interfaces. And now we are able to integrate a lot more with these organizations directly. So if I need a feed from an airline, and like it could be a remote airline operating out of Europe, as long as I have that access to the interface, I can do that. So using the microservices architecture, where I can run my functionalities anywhere on any computer in the world, this kind of technology is evolving, and that is actually changing the landscape of travel. Earlier, all the data information used to be transferred manually, but that is no longer happening. The other thing is there is also a jump and increase in AI. So a lot of these solutions are getting automated, with the help of AI.
Sure. How do you see these travel platforms evolving over a period of time, say in the next 5 years?
See, in the next 5 years, I would say that, I will take an example of some travel agents. See, right, what do travel agents do now? I'm like, you walk into their shop and they will maybe book a flight and a hotel for you. But going forward, with the help of GenAI, they should be able to design very complex and hyper-personalized travel itineraries. You say that, I want to go to a religious place, and the person should be able to show 5 or 6 options to you, right? Rather than in earlier cases where special packages had to be created. Now you can create these packages on the fly. That is where I see, the next 4 or 5 years, there because a lot of automation, a lot of AI and GenAI things, there'll be a lot of hyper personalization.
So packages as per your demands,
yeah,
right?
And
exactly. It's not being too salesy, because I remember actually signing up for packages, and whatever I demand is not actually there, but something absolutely different.
Absolutely. So here you can say, you can identify the experiences you want to have, the activities you want to do. So all that is basically what I mean by hyper personalization, and these platforms should be able to do that for you.
So you briefly spoke about AI in travel tech. Do you want to talk a little more about it?
Yeah, see, AI comes in many forms and shapes. So one example is, that you're searching for hotels, let's say in Dubai, right?
Sure.
There are thousands of hotels there. What are the first 20 hotels that should show up there? How is it that the system is able to read your mind and says, and when it displays the hotels, you say, aha, this is exactly what I was looking for. So there are AI techniques, it's something called like collaborative filtering, hierarchical recurrent neural networks. So all these are the names of the algorithms using which you can identify the interest of the person, and it will tell you who is going to buy which hotel and when. Okay. Right, and accordingly you can display that. That is one example. The other example is, if you want to create an itinerary, you may want to create a 3-day itinerary, 4-day itinerary, 7 days itinerary, or you can say that, if it's an international itinerary, you may want to involve a few countries in that. You just submit that query to GenAI, and it will create a very beautiful itinerary for you. That's where AI, so far has become very handy.
Sure. Yeah. Last quick question, sir.
Sure.
Do you see customer behavior being changed, or is it getting affected by AI now being there in travel tech as an industry?
So I think what I've seen is that customers are asking for more. If we are not able to provide, for example, something at Yatra, they know what other platforms are providing. So they ask us that, why aren't you able to give this service to me? And what is it that I have to do, to be able to, make a booking, a flight booking, let's say, for example, which is less than 5,000 rupees, sure. and I'm able to book like 1 month in advance. So these kinds of functionalities, I think they are asking for more, they're demanding for more flexibility is I think what they're looking for.
Sure. Thank you so much for your time, sir.
Thank you, Trisha. Thank you so much.